Good afternoon, dear students. I welcome you all back to the class. Hope you all have learnt and understood what is the importance and role of good documentation practices in pharmaceutical industry. With that note, let's move on to second part of document maintenance in pharmaceutical industry. So as a part of document maintenance in pharmaceutical industry, today we are going to see about batch formula record and master formula record used in industry. What are the two concepts and two documents we are going to see? What is batch formula record and master formula record in pharmaceutical industry? Let's move on to the document called batch formula record, that is BFR. What are the acronyms for BFR? Other names for batch formula record. It may be known as batch manufacturing record or batch production record. BFR either called as BMR or BPR. BMR is manufacturing, production and formula. All the terms are similar only and they have same meaning, okay, because the record is maintained during manufacturing processes in the industry, manufacturing process of a drug product in industry. Hence it may be called as batch formula record, batch manufacturing record and batch production record. So from the name itself we can understand what is batch manufacturing and batch production and batch formula. A batch of drug is produced. During that, what are the documents are maintained? That comes under batch formula record that we are going to discuss now. How batch formula record is defined? It is a written document of the batch. A written document of the batch prepared during pharmaceutical manufacturing process. Prepared during pharmaceutical manufacturing process. It contains actual data and step-by-step process for manufacturing each batch. It contains actual data as well as step-by-step process for manufacturing each batch. And it is the proof that batches were properly made and checked by QC personnel, quality control personnel. It is a proof that batches were properly made and checked by quality control personnel. So what is batch formula record? It is a written document of the batch prepared during pharmaceutical manufacturing process. It contains actual data as well as step-by-step process for manufacturing each batch. And it is a proof that batches were properly made and checked by quality control personnel. Let's see the components of a typical BFR in pharmaceutical industry. It has the product name, its batch number, date, the name of the person, initials of both operators, details such as the quantity, batch number, quality control report numbers, then details of in-process controls, their results and signature of person. Then whenever variation that exceeds expectation is observed, BFR in industry should make a note on the theoretical yield and actual yield at every appropriate stage of production and details of authorization. What are the components? The product name, its batch number, date, the name of the person, initials of the operators, details such as quantity, batch number, quality control report number, then details of in-process controls, their results and signature of person, then theoretical yield and actual yield at each stage, then details of authorization. These are all the components and who actually involved and what is the conditions, everything will be included in the batch manufacturing record. Coming to the second document, that is master formula record. Master formula record. This may also be called as master manufacturing record or master production record. MMR, MPR. MFR may be called as MMR or MPR. So master formula, master manufacturing and master production are same only. Okay. So you may call this record either with MFR statement or MMR statement or MPR statement. So these are the acronyms of master formula record. May be called as master manufacturing record or master production record. What is MFR? It is a master document for any pharmaceutical product. A master document for any pharmaceutical product that contains all information about the manufacturing process for the product. Contains all information about the manufacturing process for the product. And it is prepared by the research and development team of the company. It is prepared by the research and development team of the company. All other documents like BMR and BPR are prepared using MFR by the manufacturing units, where MFR is prepared by research and development team of the company, where all other documents are prepared by using MFR. This MFR using even batch manufacturing record and batch production records are prepared based on MFR by the manufacturing units. So other documents are prepared by manufacturing units, where MFR is prepared by R&D team of the company. So what is master formula record? It is the master document for any pharmaceutical product, contains all information about the manufacturing process for the product. How MFR is defined? It is defined as a document or set of documents, a document or set of documents specifying the starting materials with their quantities and the packaging materials, together with a description of the procedures and precautions, required to produce a specified quantity of a finished product. As well as the processing instructions, including the in-process controls. So what is the master formula record and what are the things it covers? It is a document or set of documents specifying the starting materials with their quantities and the packaging materials, together with the description of the procedures and precautions required to produce a specified quantity of a finished product, as well as the processing instructions, including the in-process control. Let's see what are the components of a typical MFR in pharmaceutical industry. What actually contains a master formula record? It contains product details, then flow chart of manufacturing, then equipment used, then special instructions if any for manufacturing processes, then calculations used or applied for manufacturing, then actual manufacturing process, then packing process, then yield. These are the components of a master formula record. It covers product details, flow chart, equipment, special instructions, calculations, manufacturing processes, then packing processes and yield of the manufactured drug product. So with the concept of last two documents, we are coming to the end of today's class. In the next class, we will be discussing with other types of documents used in pharmaceutical industry. Thank you all for patient listening.